Welcome to MyHalalGig, the ultimate halal documentation system that makes managing halal and Hajj file become simple and organized. Here's how you can upload halal file quickly and easily. Navigate to the upload, choose any item from halal file that you want to upload. Once you are in the preferred item section, click the choose file button, choose any file from your file explorer, then click the upload button. Your files have been successfully uploaded. You can now see the green tick icon at the preferred item you choose. If you need to view file, click the eyes icon or you can download the file again if needed. And that's how simple it is to upload halal file in MyHalalGig. Log in to MyHalalGig now and simplify your halal compliance and documentation journey. Visit www.holistislab.my to know more about our system.